The star witness took the stand late this afternoon in the retrial of Lyndon Wiggins. Wiggins is the alleged mastermind behind the murder of Twin Cities real estate agent Monique Bowe. Lou Raguse joins us live from the courthouse with the latest. Lou?
Elsa Segura was one of Lyndon Wiggins' girlfriends, and she played a key role in this crime. Last year, she pleaded guilty to kidnapping, admitting at her plea hearing that she placed the phone call to Monique Bowe to set up a phony house showing so that two men could kidnap Monique. Well, Segura's plea did not include an agreement to testify against Wiggins. She was subpoenaed and compelled by the judge to testify, and she did not seem like a willing participant today, answering a lot of questions by saying that she couldn't remember. But she did admit leaving Monique a voicemail, testifying that Wiggins gave her a burner phone that day with Monique's number and told her what to say. At Wiggins' direction, she made the call from a Cub Foods in Coon Rapids to avoid the call being traced to where she lived. She testified that Wiggins did not give her any explanation as to why he wanted her to call. In her opening statement, Wiggins' attorney Sarah Gadd said that the two men who kidnapped Monique, Cedric Berry and Barry Davis, hatched the plan along with Segura, and that Wiggins had nothing to do with it. But Segura testified that she has never met Davis or Barry or Monique. She testified that the prosecution's theory that Wiggins blamed Monique's boyfriend, John Mitchell Momer, for police arresting Wiggins on drug charges. She backed it up in her testimony. She said, quote, "They had a disagreement, but I didn't know that I would be used." So even though she was very reluctant to testify today, Segura's testimony was damaging to Wiggins. Earlier in the day, when an investigator was testifying, the prosecution played a jail call in which Segura is acting like she doesn't know why she was arrested and what this voicemail was that they were talking about. And Wiggins on the call also is acting like he doesn't know what she's talking about. Her testimony today directly contradicted that. So Segura will be back on the stand first thing in the morning, and she also will be cross-examined tomorrow. Back to you.
So was it clear? Did anyone ask, or did you garner that she knew that this was going to be a murder, or she's saying she had no idea?
Yeah, according to her testimony, no. And it's just a matter of how much of her testimony is to be believed, because she's contradicted herself a lot, going all the way back to her original trial. One thing that was interesting that came out today was that apparently she testified that Lyndon Wiggins did not know she left a voicemail, something that other people could listen to later. She testified that she told Wiggins that she called Monique. And so this voicemail, which the jury has heard several times at this point, is a key piece of evidence in this trial. And according to her testimony, Wiggins didn't know that that voicemail existed.
Wow. All right. More to come tomorrow. Thank you, Lou.